One of the primary reasons your data panel can be thought of as metadata for the underlying structure of your applications is because of the information you can find when you start clicking into the different data connections. One of the first things you'll notice is that there's this infographic down in the bottom portion of each data source connection. Here it says 1.5, here it says 1.7. What this means is, for example, this bottom wildfire snapshot 2021 to 2020, that means that this web map data connection is directly connected to one widget in my application, but it has a total connection count of 5. Now, what does that mean? Let's click on this to start to dive in to explore in more depth. When we click on that related widgets infographic, it takes us to the widgets tab of that web map. And you can see in this widgets tab, it says that it is related to the widget map. Now that map widget is where that one direct connection comes in. But what if we want to know what the total 5 connections are? We'll have to click over to this layers tab. And in the layers tab, we can see that this group layer here, that's a part of my web map data connection, has 4 total connections. So let's click on that infographic, and it takes us to the list of layers that are included in that group layer. And then we can see that this feature layer here, which are the current incident points, this is the layer that's connected to 4 widgets within the application. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it brings us to that feature layer, the current incident points feature layer information, and it brings us to the widget tab for that feature layer. Now we can see that this feature layer is being utilized in a list widget, a query widget, and 2 text widgets within the application. So these are the other 4 connections. I'm going to go back to the home page. Those are the other 4 connections that make this total 5.